Hey guys, so I was filming another video, but I did not like the look of it, so I decided to do this instead. I've mentioned to my boyfriend a couple of times that I wanted to move the living room around because I wanted space for my plants. I wanted more space for my plants, and I wanted to take out this right here and move it over there. So we made this together about, I want to say 6-7 years ago, and it hasn't left its spot. And the TV is actually not completely centered in the living room. It should be like right here underneath this. So I was thinking to move this closer here and then to put my tiny IKEA greenhouse next to the Legos right there, excuse the ring light, and the TV. Again, we haven't fully discussed it. I did bring it up a few times. I was like, okay, I really want to switch this over there. So I'm gonna try to do this alone. He should be coming home maybe like in 30 minutes and he'll be like, what are you doing? We actually use the bench that's right there a lot for working out. And I hate that like the TV's on, I'm watching a workout video, then I have to run over there towards the bench. And it'd be so much easier if the bench was here instead. But yeah, I guess let's do this. I love this little guy. He's my favorite. You think we would get him from Ireland, but we actually got him from Spain. How cute is he? Duh, also from Spain. This was from Alaska. This one my best friend gave me when she went to Africa. This one's from Thailand. This one's my favorite knife. Also got it from Thailand. These are so cute. There's a store in Seaport Village here in San Diego. I think they're still there, but they make the most amazing candles. See, like this one? This one I love. This is when we first went to Ireland together. I was so tired of just traveling in the States, and I was like, babe, you need to get a passport. If you get a passport, we can go wherever you want first out of the country. And he said Ireland, and I was like, Ireland? And he was like, yeah, I want to look at the castles. And I was like, okay. And then of course I fell in love with Ireland, and that's like out of all the places we've traveled to, that is, and I feel like will always be my favorite place in the world. And I always talk about like, oh, wanting our own farm like this. Good times. I wonder how heavy this is gonna be to pull over there. Should have done this on a workout day. Okay, I'm gonna be back because my battery is at 5% right now. I didn't catch him walking in, but yes, he did freak out. It wasn't angry. It was more like, what's wrong with you? Alexa, turn on the Christmas tree.
By the way, I'm still learning about your plug. Is it connected to a light?
Yes.
can now use your plug like the rest of your lights.
I'm not cool.
See, I would have rather filmed it like this. Well, I tried to work with it in iMovie and like.
Well,
nothing...
you don't want to do that in iMovie. You want to do that
I know.
on the source.
Like here you can clearly see.
If you do a post, it's going to be more obvious.
I know, but you can like see my face and everything. But in that, it was like
1 week later.
Hey guys, I know I look like but I didn't sleep till like 6 a.m. because my gums were hurting. Anyways, I have 2 alocasias that I got in the mail. I'm gonna go grab them. I want to move my greenhouse here because I'd rather the alocasias get used to being there compared to being here and then me moving them there. So today I'm finally gonna move this Lego shelf over here. Hopefully I don't knock any of them over. Go grab the plants from the mail and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this Macrame for my peperomia rosso. I just love hanging my plants. I feel like they look so pretty all hanging. This is so cute. I'll link where I bought this. I wanted a really tiny one for my peperomia rosso. Look how cute that is. Yeah, I want to put this guy in here if he can fit. Maybe I should have looked up what size pot this holds. Dang, my bad. Ooh, what pot am I gonna put in here now? Yeah, he's way too heavy for this. Dang, that sucks. Let's open up the alocasias I got. These are both starter plants. I love watching my dragon scale grow. Like, it's so fun and entertaining watching him grow. That grow light is so good because I want to say every 6 weeks he pushes out a big leaf, and they're big leaves compared to when I first got him, and they're actually silver. When I got he's a silver dragon, I was like, okay, how come his leaves don't look silver? They're really green. And again, with the grow light, like, it brought out that silver. That makes me so happy. So yeah, since I love watching him grow so much, I wanted to get small starter, different alocasias. They were only like $12. But I'm gonna have to isolate them for a bit because that guy, just his spider mites won't go away no matter what I do. And I'm pretty sure he's probably gonna give them to these guys. It's like Corona, he just wants to cough over everyone. There are these 2 tiny guys in the corner. Okay, so this one's the Maharani and this one's... I forgot what this one was. Oh, Black Velvet. He's so cute. He's so cute. Look at him. He kind of reminds me a mix of my Silver Dragon Alocasia and my Philodendron Mikan, because he kind of looks like he has that satin feel. He doesn't though. It's rough and thick like regular Alocasias. Gotta make sure he doesn't have any spider mites. I'd rather get cheap starter plants compared to the full plant because it's such a satisfying experience watching them grow. Seriously, just get a grow light. They will grow really fast. I feel like that's just gonna be my like Alocasia greenhouse because I just want all the Alocasias. I want the second layer to be like carnivorous plants and then the top to be Alocasias, or maybe put Alocasias at the bottom because I feel like that's pretty dangerous putting them all together, since just him alone, the fact that he only has 3 leaves and the spider mites on those leaves stress me out because I've been fighting them with everything I can ever since I got him. Trust me, you can give me all the advice you want about killing spider mites. I'm sure I've done them. Ooh, this one's so tall. And again, this is the Maharani. I just love the look of alocasias. They're so pretty.
3 days later.
Okay, so I just got my second plant stand in the mail. My original plan before I had the greenhouse was to get another plant stand. But when my silver dragon started getting like brown spots, I thought it was because of lack of humidity. So I bought the greenhouse instead of this. And then when I found out it was spider mites, I was like, okay, that was probably a waste, but actually it's not, because now I'm slowly filling up my greenhouse and now I still don't have any place for some of my plants. So I got another plant stand. I made sure that there was extra spaces on this for the plants I do want to get eventually, or the plants are going to grow back, because some of my plants, like my butterfly plants, have gone dormant. So I wanted to make sure that there were enough spots on this plant stand to hold all my plants. At least the ones I have for now, because after that I have no idea where I'm going to put my plants, because we only have one window in this apartment and I have no other room for plants except for right here. Okay, so they used this random Amazon envelope for extra cushion. I will show everyone what you bought.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages.
They're not that big. Like, they send everything. It's true though. Nope.
You can't get mad at me if I order stuff from Amazon.
It'll work.
We're doing this together, every step we take closer to each other. So much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
So this is what it finally looks like. So again, I moved this shelf over here, and then I actually got this weight rack because we always had our weights all over the floor. And I moved this over here. This seems very empty, so I was planning on getting a wall shelf for more plants. And if I do that, I'm probably gonna move this over here because we do use this as a step when we work out, and if I put a wall shelf right there for plants, we're gonna definitely knock over that shelf. So I need something flat there, so I'm probably going to put this there. And if I get more plants, I'm probably gonna need to put a plant shelf right here. And then, like I said, I put the IKEA one over here. So I got all these little babies growing. I'm so excited because my silver dragon's growing a new leaf right there. So happy about that. So again, as you saw, that's everything I moved over here. And then now, I feel like now it looks more whole that I got the second one. Like it fits. And obviously lighting's not going to be good because the sun's coming in this way. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with everything. I feel like everything's so much cleaner. And like I said, the only thing like I would say is missing is maybe a plant shelf right there. That's all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!